again and again. Sagitaurus. So when will the bad mind thing cease to exist no more? And when them again and again, Sagittarius. So when will the bad mind thing cease to exist no more? And when them a go love me and my friends, we flick with the fans we adore. Me I beg you please, just love me. Me no chop badness, no guy, me no free, me no envy. Just well blessed, in the reggae music that are my interest. Won't you mind your business? Won't you mind your business? If you forward over here someone you're looking for the trouble, then I'm sure you will.
Boy, Jano, my people. Well, viewers and subscribers, I don't know, so this is Newlink from Newlink Production. And people, me I tell you, right now that track, your people, is from an artist, goes by the name of Sagitaurus, people. And Newlink can tell you, people, you see the man voice alone, people, it alone can tell you how much this artist has put into this music. Well, this track, people, title, Just Another Day, from the artist, as me tell you, Sagitaurus. When me say people, Sagittarius, people, Just Another Day. This is definitely a banging. Yo, let me just play some more so we just listen it and go through.
Find it, it's just another day. It's just another long story. Then we go to the cops, say we lost jobs. Just another long story. It's just another day. Always some long story. Then we go to the cops, say we lost jobs. Just another. Say bad mind must have done Obia. Love me name not taking go no further. Yo, to be honest, them want see we vanish. Them who don't mind fear me locked away. But we no play the games we wanna play. Cause we always listen when me mother say. No, you're not gonna hear say.
Well, people, me know so now listen to it and I say, Jano, oh the artist here, oh me never hear about him long time. Well, people, this artist been on the market for a while now. You understand? But you don't know the thing but sometimes with the music thing, you know. Well, real talent out there and real artists out there, sometimes them just not get the break or the exposure what them need to get. That's why you have man like Newlink who stay back and say real artists and poke them around. Well, people, just another day from Sagittarius, people, Jano. It's tough, people. And honestly, I want to play the whole track, people, but you don't know, say, what I have to do? You have to go up on the artist thing. To not true. Well, I'm going to leave the link below the video. So you can just go in the link and have to check out the whole thing and the whole track. But you don't know, I'm going to play a little piece more, people, because you know, this song sweet, this song nice, this song make Newlink feel so uplift people. If they down, this song make me feel like I'm on my feet again. So I'm going to play one little piece more, one little piece.
Me fade away, ain't no way. It's just another day. It's just another long story. Then we report to the cops, say we lost jobs. Just another long story. It's just another day. Always some long story. Then we report to the cops, say we lost jobs. Just another. Tell them move on, one.
Yo, me not play too much people and me not going hide too much people as me telling you the link below the video. So you just click the link and then you go check out the chat and you just comment on the man thing. And remember, please subscribe to your YouTube thing because people that say this artist, them are the type of music where we want people. You understand? You see your dance all I get drag out and it I get lag out now. And from the other day, Newlink can look back and say, no, so we need to find back a real artist them. Well, people, see Newlink find one here. Sagittarius, people, just another day. It proved it, it telling you, Sagittarius, just another day. It's a long story. Go check him out, people.
As success go, see me? To me, true success, all of my friends them around me successful. Nobody around me in need of nothing. If you have it, and your neighbor and your friend them don't have it, you don't reach it. Same as music go, every line in my song have something to do pertaining to life. Whether I see it, or whether I feel it. Same as I say, so, when I first start the music, it has nothing to do with money or business. It was from here. Same as I say. So everything have to maintain real. That's why people can relate. You understand? Really.